Hi everyone, welcome back, and here we are at page 133 of our Targeting Math workbook, and we are still doing fraction of a set word problem. Okay, this is question 1 of page 133. So, during an art and craft lesson, Paul colored 3 out of 5 of the 15 circles. How many circles were not colored? Now, from this fraction, they are telling us the total set is 5. Can we group our circles into 5 sets or 5 groups? Okay, so let's separate them. That's 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 and 5 group. Now 3 of the group are colored, so let me just put the color there. So this is 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. So they want to know how many circles were not colored. These are the circles that were not colored. So using the pictorial, we can find out that 6 of the circles were not colored. But what if we did not have the pictorial to help us? Is there another way that we can do it? Yes, there's another way. The fraction also tells us that the total parts or total unit is 5. So you can put 5 units equals to 15. Let's find 1 unit, which is 15 divided by 5, you will get 3. Now if 3/5 is colored, that means 2 out of 5 are not colored. Now 2 units will be 2 times 3, which will also give us 6. Now for this part is when you do not have the pictorial pictures to help you. Okay, let's go to question 2. 3 out of 8 of 32 pupils in class 4B are girls. How many boys are there? Once again, let's focus our attention to the fraction 3 out of 8. That means there are 8 sets or 8 groups. Let's see how we can group this into 8. So 32 divided by 8, we need to have equal groups, which will give us 4. So each group or each set will have 4 of them. That's one set or one group. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 3 out of 8 groups or sets are girls. So I'll use the pink as girls. That's the second, and that's third. Now that means the rest are boys. So they want to know how many boys are there. If you count the circles, you would know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets or 5 groups of 4 boys each. That will be 20 boys. So that's the answer, 20 boys. Is there another way that we can work out if we do not have the pictures? Yes, we will know that 8 units, there's 32 students. Let's find how many students in 1 unit, which we have worked it out earlier, 4. And instead of 3, we only want to know the boys. Boys will be 5 units or 5 out of 8. That will be 4 times 5, or should write as 5 times 4, that will be 20. So how many boys are there? There are 20 boys. Alright, let's move on to the next page, page 134. The length of a cable was 48 meters at first, so you know the total. A worker cut away 1 out of 4 of the cable. What was the length of the cable left? So we have the fraction here that tells us there are 4 parts. The total of the 4 parts or 4 units is 48. And one of the part is cut off and you want to know what is left. So we can write that down. 4 units equals to 48. Let's find 1 unit. 1 unit is 48. Divide by 4, which will give you 12. So each unit here is 12. Each unit is 12. So we have 3 units left. So we will do 3 times 12. That will give us 36. So the length of the cable left is 36 meters. Please remember your units. Okay? Alright, good job so far, everybody. Let's go on to question 4. Ravi was given $28 as allowance. He spent 4 out of 7 of the allowance. How much money did Ravi have left? So the fraction is giving us a hint that there are 7 parts or 7 units. The total for all the units is 28. Now Ravi have spent 4 parts and you want to know what is left. So let's find what is 1 unit. What's the value of 1 unit? We will have 7 units in total, which is 28. Find 1 unit. 28 divided by 7, that will give you 4. So we know each unit is $4. And how many units left? Well, we have 3 units left. That's 3 times 4, which is 12. So our final answer is Ravi had $12 left.